What's up, traders? I have some important information to share with you that could manifest itself as early as tomorrow morning, actually, and I'll get into what I mean by that. But first, let's get into what the purpose of this is. I have reason to believe, and I will show you that the Fed is going to announce a pivot next week. Let's jump into it. See this article? Pivot language, as you guys are probably aware, that is going to be huge, huge, huge for the markets. And it is currently what I believe explains what I've been showing you guys in the bullish divergence in the MACD. Okay, I think that these rumors um, that the Fed is going to pivot is manifesting itself in the big money that is manifesting itself in the MACD movement. Okay, let me. I highlighted the part of the article that's most important. BlackRock, as you know, is a is an investment management company that has over 10 trillion in assets under management, and that includes billions upon billions of your 401k, and they therefore have a key insight with the Fed, and therefore tell other fund managers what could be coming. Okay. Now, um, I think that on Wednesday, November 2nd, everyone is already anticipating the 75 rate hike. That's already been priced in. That's not going to come as a surprise. But pay attention to what Chair Powell says at the 2:30 discussion, what kind of language he uses. I think it's going to rally the markets. Okay. And I will, when it gets closer to that time, I'm going to show you guys how you can trade that 2:30 announcement. I'll actually show you a screenshot because I traded the last um, Fed rate hike announcement, and it's a surefire way to predicting which way it's going to go up or down. But I'll get into that as it gets closer. Okay. But for now, let me show you guys something else. Tomorrow, as you probably know, is the Core PCE right here, right? Last month it was 0.6, and no, the markets did not like that, right? Because the forecast was 0.4. Oh, actually, the forecast is zero point 0.4 for this month, but last month, month over month was 0.6%. Okay, but look at this. This is the Cleveland Fed website updated today. The Cleveland Fed predicts tomorrow's core PCE will be 0.44, which is significantly less than zero point 0.6. Okay, and I think that 7:30 a.m. Uh, core PCE, if the Cleveland Fed is right, that's going to rally the markets. And I think that this 0.44, it's been actually right because I've been tracking this. I was watching this on last month's uh, core PCE, and so it's very accurate. So I believe that all of these, if you want to call them coincidences, I don't think they're coincidences. They are intentional. It's going to start with core PCE tomorrow. It's going to rally the markets because 0.44 is significantly less than zero point 0.6, right? That's going to give a segue into next week's FOMC meeting that's going to allow them to say, oh, yeah, it looks like core PCE month over month is going down. So maybe we don't have to be so hawkish on our future rate hikes, which may include a pause, right? So see how this is all starting to fit now? Okay, I want to also show you this. This is the, okay, this is the 1 minute. Okay, let me kind of zoom out. So this was today. This was the catastrophic um, Amazon and Apple extended hours, right? This was the extended hours um, earnings announcement. But but what happened after it totally just tanked right here? It came shooting right back up, well over zero, and has been hovering at the zero line. In fact, even slightly going up. See that? See that? Okay. Now watch this. I contend that I contend that had this big drop not occurred due to the earnings, that this current pattern right now in extended hours in the futures is just a continuation pattern of everything that led up to it before the big drop. See that? Just a continuation pattern, meaning the markets. Okay, let me also do this for you. Doesn't that look pretty parallel to you? Look at the price action. Look at the MACD. That looks pretty parallel to me. Okay, so when you know that's going down, now that's starting to go up, suggestive of, remains to be seen if this pattern holds true, suggestive of possible bottom, at least a temporary bottom. I'm not going to go out and say that is the bottom, but what I'm saying is that is a potential a bottom, not the bottom. Okay, let's when you zoom out, let's go to the 5 minute, just for grins. Okay, check out the 5 minute. Oops, crazy scrolling. Okay, look at the 5 minute chart. The MACD is firmly over zero. Okay, it came back from the abyss from 4 p.m., 4:20 p.m., and now it's back positive. That this is not signs of crashing. To me, these are signs of, see, getting in formation. I mean, look at that. It's getting in formation. It's getting ready for something that could be coming. Now let's go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. It's curling up already. You see the separation? There's the crossover that everyone likes to talk about. It's crossing over. It's coming back up. So despite everything that's happened this week, as we all know, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, all of them tanked, right? They all just tanked. And those are big, big, big holdings in the NASDAQ, which is what I have up here, NASDAQ futures. But yet, we're not crashing. See what I mean? I think the markets are preparing what quite possibly could be starting tomorrow morning with the core PCE being a good number that's going to give the markets reason to rally. And then it's going to top it off by the Wednesday, November 2nd FOMC um, rate hike, and then the discussion with Chair Powell afterwards. But so so this is all good stuff. Let's just continue to see how futures go overnight, and I will do another report in the morning after Core PCE comes out. Let's see what happens. But so we will leave it an open question whether Here, let me go to the hourly. See, the hourly is starting to curl upwards now. I mean, it peaked way back here. So it's curling up now. So, you know, let's see what that all means. I mean, we're gonna find out. But it does start with the lower time frames, as you know. You know, the 5 minute. It's it's going to help that the 5 minute consistently stays at the zero line, which if it stays there overnight, that's going to mean the longer time frames, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, is going to start curling up as well, right? The lower time frames feed into the larger time frames. So, um, yeah, that's basically all I've got. So all eyes on tomorrow morning, Core PCE. Think we might be in for a surprise. Okay, talk to you later.